Example number 3. At the beginning of June, the Lawn Green Company was $735.96 in debt. By the end of August, the company had decreased its debt by $456.75. A. Use a rational number to represent each amount. And B. Calculate how much the company owed at the end of August. So you might be like, what? I thought rational numbers were fractions. Remember, rational numbers can be fractions, they can be decimals, they can be whole numbers, they can't be irrational, they can't be pi, that's for sure. It can't be square root of -2, but -735.96 or -456.75, all that is saying, use positive and negative. So when it says use a rational number to represent each amount, we can say that we can use negatives and positives to help us describe what's actually happening here. So for A, we're talking about the Lawn Green Company was in debt. So we would say that it would be negative 735.96. I'm just going to use my Q's column here because remember, if I say owed, that is negative. And if I use the word have, that tends to be positive. Because I went around and told some of you a story when kind of like a story that you can tell yourself when you come across integers. Like you owe your buddy $5 and you pay them back $3. How much do you owe them still? Oh, you still owe them $2. So this just kind of helps you. It helps you to be able to use your integer skills. So they are $735.96 in debt, so then we use a negative. However, the company had decreased its debt. Okay, so that means that this $456.75, that's going to be actually positive. Plus, actually I'm going to just put it right here, plus $456.75. That's all they're asking for. So I've used rational numbers to express each amount, and B, calculate how much the company owed at the end of August. Well, I'm just going to do the question. So, negative, clear it. Negative 735.96. I have to write the negative after I put in the number. It's a weird one. Plus 456.75 equals. So they're still in debt, but they're in debt less, which is great. So they are in debt $279.21. Let me just double check here. Yep, got it. So let's summarize what we've learned here. Rational numbers can be expressed as fractions or decimals. Rational numbers are positive and negative. To add add or subtract. Mixed numbers. Change to improper. For adding and subtracting. fractions. Use the lowest common denominator.